Hello, Premier Agents. My name's Emily, and today I am really excited to talk to you about how to get more out of the connections that Zillow has delivered to you using the My Agent feature. I'm going to show you how to cement your relationships with your connections by combining the power of My Agent and our CRM. My Agent is a feature that you all have access to right now, which helps convert your connections into clients. When you accept a connection from us, we'll automatically create an initial 30-day My Agent relationship between you and the clients. During this period, you'll appear as the only buyer's agent on listings they view. This is important because those buyers are going to see your face in their inbox and on all of our listings. Our data shows that on average, connections come back to our sites 27 times and view 77 different homes in the 30 days after we connect with you. They're going to see you right next to all 77 of those homes, and you'll be able to see the types of homes they're really interested in. That's another huge benefit of the My Agent relationship. You'll have access to the homes they view, save, and search for, not just on our sites, but also in the home search emails they open from us. Use this information to learn more about their search and send more personalized home recommendations that your buyer will love. In order to extend the My Agent relationship past the first 30 days, you'll need to confirm that you're still working with that client. You can do this two ways. The first way is to use the app to send a text. When there's a back and forth exchange, we'll extend the My Agent relationship another 30 days. So as long as you're in communication, you'll keep extending those relationships. It's so easy. The second way you can extend your My Agent relationship is to send a request to your contacts directly from the Premier Agent CRM. If you're in the Premier Agent app, select your client in the contacts list and select Be This Lead's Agent on Zillow. You can preview your message, then select Send Email. Once you confirm the request, the My Agent relationship is extended for 1 year. Your contact also has the power to extend the My Agent relationship when they respond to one of our customer experience surveys. You may be wondering what exactly this is. At 24 hours, 15, and 45 days, we check in with your connection to ask how their experience was with you. They'll also be asked if they plan to continue working with you, and if they reply yes, we extend the My Agent relationship for a year. Let me say that again. Simply by delivering exceptional customer service to your connections, you can extend your My Agent relationships for a whole year, and you'll be the only buyer's agent that appears on listings they see. This is one more small reason you should aim to give the best experience to every connection that you speak with. So what can you do right now to cement these My Agent relationships through to close? Filter your contact list by active My Agent relationships and then send those contacts a text. Remember, sending text messages makes it super easy to keep extending those My Agent relationships. Start using this feature today to create stronger relationships with your contacts and turn connections into clients.